You ask me, Phoenix, how can I make money using my welding trade? How can I turn my welding trade into a business? Let's get one thing clear and one fact that we both agree on. It does take money to make money, correct? So we spend money to get the materials, we spend money to get the permits, we spend money to get the licenses, we spend money to get the equipment. It takes money. Now, if you don't know what to invest your money in, you can spend money in the wrong areas, or you can buy things that you necessarily don't need, you know? But when it comes to making money, it takes money. It's just a common principle. So I have a consultation fee that I charge $150 to show you how to start a independent welding business, how to get it off the ground, get your LLC, EIN, how to get leads, work, how I hustle, how I do it independently. If you want to learn that, it takes money. But I will guarantee you this. I have already proven that it works. I'm working it. So if I have invested thousands into what I'm going to give you for $150, I think you could be able to take that and take it to another level. But you have to realize that one simple fact, that it takes money to make money. And $150 isn't nothing. I spent that on a box of rods. You know what I'm saying? So you're going to spend money to get there. But I charge a consultation fee because I'm taking time out of my life to give you this. Plus, I had to pay a bigger fee. I want to see you win, but I want to see you break that curse of thinking that you're going to get something for free. Because as you know, everything that we're doing in this country and everything that you have to get in this country costs money. All I'm doing is giving to you for a small amount, but it's showing me that you're willing to network. It's showing me you're willing to put your money where your mouth is. And if you really want to make money, give me a call. I can help you do that. Hold on.